This video is to show you how to create a report for milestones as well as view your task colors on a task report. So from the task list, you can see your selected task colors here and your milestones as well here. This is a column that has been added by inserting it. What we're going to do next is we're going to go to the reports home and we're going to create a task report and add task report. Now our quick filter type for this one is going to be milestones. From here, it could be helpful to also group it by project. As well as to insert the milestone column. You can also update your dates. I'm going to use dynamic dates here, and I'm going to select it for the current quarter, and then run report. Now what this report here has generated is a report that is grouped by the project itself. You can also now see the task colors. And if we scroll on over, we can see the milestones. And this particular report is showing just those milestones. And when your task colors themselves are updated, it will update it on this report here as well. And this is a video showing you how to run a report for milestones and how to view your task colors on a task report.